How to restrict group chats in Messenger. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, open any web browser on your mobile device and on the search bar type in facebook.com. After that, you'll see three dot icon on the top right corner. Tap on it. Scroll below and make sure the desktop site is checked. Now go back, zoom in, and head on to your chats and select a group that you want to restrict. And here in this group, you'll see a three dot icon. Tap on it, and then you'll see an option that says restrict your chats. If you don't find any options, then it means that it's not available in your country. If it happens, just head back and open Messenger application on your mobile device. Now in there, scroll below and find a group that you want to restrict. Tap on it, and then you'll see an option that says mute. Well, if you cannot restrict a chat, you can always mute a chat. So click on mute and then click on mute messages and call notification. Hit OK and then select until I change it. Click OK and then this group has been muted. That's it guys, thank you all for watching it till the end and stay tuned till our next upload.